Integrating nature into daily life can transform sustainability efforts. For example, individuals can start their mornings with a short walk in green spaces, breathing fresh air and appreciating their surroundings. In the kitchen, replacing plastic containers with glass or bamboo can significantly reduce waste. Next, consider introducing houseplants, which not only enhance air quality, but also foster a connection with nature. Lastly, engaging in local conservation efforts like river cleanups can strengthen community ties and encourage eco-conscious habits. By blending nature seamlessly into routines, everyone can contribute to a greener planet and enhance well-being.